Are you ready to squeeze every bit of goodness out of life? Let's celebrate National Lemon Juice Day with a splash. So, what's the big deal about lemon juice? Well, this zesty elixir isn't just for making lemonade. It's the MVP of the kitchen, your wellness buddy, and a secret beauty hack all in one. From cocktails to marinades, lemon juice adds that perfect zing to your favorite dishes and drinks. And did you know it's also a natural preservative? Say goodbye to browning avocados. But wait, there's more. Lemon juice is a superstar in the world of wellness. It detoxifies, balances pH levels, and some even say it's a quick fix for stubborn ailments. Celebrities swear by a morning glass of lemon water to kickstart their day. Feeling crafty? Lemon juice makes a fabulous non-toxic cleaner. Remove water spots from glass doors, whiten your clothes, and even deodorize your humidifier. Talk about versatile. Let's not forget beauty. Want natural highlights? Apply lemon juice to your hair for a sun-kissed look. It's like a day at the beach, bottled up. Fun fact: lemons were brought to America by Christopher Columbus in 1493. And get this, lemon trees can produce up to 600 pounds of lemons a year. That's a lot of lemonade. So, on August 29th, celebrate National Lemon Juice Day by squeezing every drop of goodness out of this incredible fruit. Cheers to lemons!